Hi guys, welcome to Stunner Share. So, what we are going to see in today's video is like we are going to see Nifty analysis. And Nifty analysis, it was a complete trap of what has happened today. And then what we are going to see is the comments from few of our friends. So I just want to clarify certain things, and that is why this video is all about. So coming to Nifty, Nifty was a proper gap down scenario, and I was expecting a gap up, but the global cues were like very much down, and ultimately it resulted in gap down. And because of the gap down, initially I thought the Nifty candle started taking support at Virgin CPR and it started moving towards, but then monthly pivot and weekly pivot acted as a good resistance and it started rejecting over there. So moreover, today is an expiry day, so I was not willing to take a trade in Nifty, and that is why I did not give any live update in the YouTube channel also. So coming to Nifty analysis using CPR strategy, it is a 2-day pivot point relationship. Based on that, it is a bias, very bullish bias, but then the candles open gap down showing the rejection at the opening print, and the candles open between S1 and below S1. That means target towards S2 is highly possible, and that is what has happened today. And it even went to previous week low and it started resting over there. So Nifty, I feel as the monthly pivot and weekly pivot acted as a good resistance, so I was bit hesitant to take a trade in that, and that is why the reason I did not give any update in live live analysis in channel update also. And then coming to the comments, what I want to discuss is like few of comments from Rohan Badugu. Sorry for spelling it wrong. So he said that in few of his comments, I just watched that he was mentioning that you are taking the book reading of Frank Ochoa, but he said you are not applying his rules and certain things were told. So I want to make a point clear in this video. So Ruhan, first of all, what is my strategy based on like I will be applying CPR in my 30 minutes breakout strategy. So basically, why I'm doing CPR, why I'm applying 30 minute strategy and CPR is like it gave me good accurate results, and that is why I'm doing that. So what is the reason for doing 30 minutes? 30 minutes because I prefer 30 minutes because I want to hold the trade for the entire day and I don't want to do a scalping trade. So initially now I'm doing a 1% trade or the next support or next resistance as target as trade. But in a longer time period, I want to do it as a trade where I will be holding the trade for the longer period of the time. So that is why I am just working on the 30-minute strategy. So my calls, whatever I have taken, it is completely based on 30-minute strategy using CPR and not without CPR. So for example, today I gave an update of GAIL. So GAIL was a call which I gave which I provided the update in our channel. And if you see, I recorded the video. Okay, make a trend. Wait for. Okay, GAIL Steiner alert. This was the the stock which I gave to you guys. And what has happened is like, why did I give a trade? So first of all, if you see, the CPR was a very narrow CPR. First case. Second case, it is a overlapping lower value CPR. So it shows that bearishness will happen. And the candles printed also accepted the bearish way. And the narrow CPR was also there. So I was expecting a good trending day. So based on the 30-minute strategy, this is the low which was formed, and I waited for the low to break, and ultimately it got broken, and that is why I took a trade in GAIL, and that resulted in good profit also. So any stock whichever I'm going to trade via the screener, I will be applying CPR in it, and only after that I'll be taking a trade. For example, let me take a trade of UPL. UPL also came inside the alert of in the alert screener. So what happened in UPL? UPL, if you see, the previous day was a good trending day, and then today the CPR was very, very narrow. This is called as an unusual narrow CPR, where the CPR will look like a single line. In this scenario, what happens is like the market will be trending and it can easily break and pass through any CPR also, or any support and resistance also. So what happened today in UPL is like, the alert came, but I did not take a trade. Why I did not take a trade? Because I could see 4 resistances or support or 4 pivot points which was lying here, which is nothing but weekly pivot, monthly pivot, previous day low, as well as daily support one. So even though the candles printed a rejection, I was expecting a good pullback or good reverse to CPR to happen, and that is why I avoided UPL trade. And you guys can see the screenshot of you guys can see over here, and in this video I have mentioned what all the alerts which I have got today. And in that also, if you guys see, so UPL is over here at 10:15. I got an alert, but I did not trade that. So my every call, whatever I'm going to take, will be based on CPR only. I'll be applying the CPR method. And to be very honest, not only I'll be applying CPR, and there are another one which I'll be applying, which is called as the Camarilla pivot. So that if you see, S4 Camarilla pivot is over here, and if suppose a pivot of Camarilla is over there and a candle is passing through it, you can expect a possible reversal or a breakthrough to happen. So though the candle gave a breakout also, there are several candles which showed confusion for the trade, and that is why I did not take UPL for the trade. So this, I hope this would have cleared your confusion about whether I'm using CPR or not in my trades. So kindly check it. And for your information, if you are following my videos regularly, I would tell you one more point. The screeners I started to write based on our friends' request, and that is what I'm doing. And we are in the plans of introducing CPR also with it. So on this case, when we are introducing CPR along with our screeners, we may get some more accurate results. So I would suggest you to watch all the videos so that you will get a clear idea of what we are doing over here. So that's it, guys. This is the content what I want to share. Nifty analysis was completely a trap today. Like it gave a good strong candles, but unfortunately it started moving down. And then the screener and the comments from our friends to show that whether what I am doing over here, whether I'm using CPR or not. So this is all about the content over in this video. Thanks for liking, subscribing, supporting, and sharing. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot.